Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It is 2:30 p.m. on Monday the 20th of November 2023 and we're at Kalamunda Bus Station to ride Transperth's new shortest route. Yes, we all thought the 301 would never be beaten. It's probably one of the shortest routes in Australia. Per Midland Station to Midland Hospital is really short, and even back, which is counted as the same trip, still the shortest route by far. But now today, they've just introduced a new route with the Armadale Line Shutdown, 272, operating from Kalamunda Bus Station to Kalamunda Community Centre, with one stop in between at some random shopping area there. Just this. So this is unbelievable. Now Kalamunda is home to 3 stupid routes already. 272, 273, this stupid loop, and 274, like twice a day up to Gooseberry Hill. All the 27X routes, well, 273, yeah, 2, 3 and 4 are all stupid. Plus we have 281 down here, which doesn't even go to a transfer station. It doesn't even go to Kalamunda. That's why it's shown in orange. Just terminates there. So the 272 has been introduced to replace the 283 extensions to Kalamunda Community Centre, which ran 5 to 6 times a day after almost every service. They did run them. And sorry, we also have 279 to Maddington, which is like also a few times a day and should be a school service, but it's not. Yeah, so 283 extensions to the community centre ran I just came off of 283. I think that one would have been one that would have continued to the community centre. But instead it terminates here. But I think it's so stupid because there's 2355 parked over there after the 283. I feel like he's gonna go to do the 272 after, which means he's just gonna do the extension anyway, just not in service. Like, what the hell? But yeah, now the 272 only runs 2 times a day in either direction, which apparently it's been aligned better with session times at the community centre, so maybe it'll be used more. But they've reduced the frequency overall, and they've made it school days only, so it's even less service. Yeah, so it's here from stand 3. Look how many buses are already at this stand. 272, 274, 274, 76, yeah, whatever. To Kalamunda Community Centre via Mead Street. And you can see on here, 272, there's a morning service at 9:17. And there's an afternoon service at 12:17. Both operate on school days only. And then there's 2 in the other direction, which aren't even at the same times as these ones. You think that they just do 272 out, 272 in, but no. Both 272s out have to come this back in, and then both 272s in have to go this out. So 3 services have already run today. Justin went on the first one, I'm pretty sure, and filmed it outbound. So that's good. And I'm now gonna walk the whole route, and I'm gonna film it and just time lapse the walk because it's literally like 5 minutes, even less. And I'm gonna go to the terminus so we can take the shortest route back, which is departing the last service today, 2:55, still 20 minutes, but that's the one we'll be taking. And I did actually already film the 283 extension as a Transperth Oddities episode. From the community centre as well. So yeah, that makes this even more like, it's basically a duplicate video now of that 283 extension video, but just showing it as the 272 and making the title Transperth's new shortest route, because I did do one on the 301, but that's now outdated, and I'll have to write that in the description of that video. So anyway, let's go for a walk now up Main Street here, Mead Street. The next stop on the route is already literally right there. So yeah, the only change now compared to the 283 extension is that it actually does have a stop in the middle. The 283 extension actually ran express from Kalamunda Bus Station to Kalamunda Community Centre. It didn't stop in between, technically. I don't know how many drivers actually followed that. But now they changed it so the stop in between is served, apparently, like making it 3 stops. Basically the same as 301, which is Midland Station, Midland Hospital, Midland Station. But the whole route is like 600 to 700 meters. I'll put the exact number on the screen, but it's barely anything. So it's just ridiculous. And look, I'm already at the second stop of the route. That took like 30 seconds. Here we are. Kalamunda. This random bus stop here. I don't even know why this one exists. It's right after the bus station. But okay. And if the 273 came up here, we'd have so many consecutive routes here now. 272, 273, 274, 275, 276. But no, it's just 272. That's the new one. To Kalamunda Community Centre. Okay, I'm gonna time lapse the rest of the walk now. I'm not gonna talk, and you'll just see how quick it is. There's the new sign, 272 straight. Yeah, so honestly, I don't understand why they had to make this change. It was working perfectly fine as extensions. They could have just changed it to be more of the times they wanted, but whatever, we'll see. But I bet you it's gonna be 0 passengers. And there we go, that was it. A less than 5-minute walk basically. That's Kalamunda Community Centre right there. There's also Georgeson Park here, a major park in Kalamunda, where lots of people also go to, and this bus serves, I guess. So there's actually quite a lot of cars here, but they probably all went to the park. The community centre looks like it's closed. I don't even get what they're doing there. Why is it school days only? It's got nothing to do with school. And here it is. This is the same place where the old bus stop was for 283, but it is now 272 via Mead Street 28751, literally from today, 20 of 11. So they must have changed this just a few hours ago. And you can see 2 sections, 2 stops, 2 minutes. And here's the timetable: 11:55 a.m. and 2:55 p.m. school days only, and that's it. They've heavily actually reduced the service. Before there was like 5 or 6 or something. So it's gonna be really weird with the driver going on this bus, especially if it's 23:55, which is so ridiculous because that means he did do it after the 283 anyway. But we'll see. Anyway, it's just funny to ride Transperth's shortest route, so let's check it out. We'll just wait for the bus now. There's still 10 minutes. Okay, so actually Transperth was right with this. Look. So many people just left the community centre, so there must have been an event. It's all just like old people, but obviously they all just drove all their cars here. They just like 10 cars already left, so everyone just drove and they're all driving out. So it actually is correct. This is around the time, I guess 2:45, it finishes whatever event they're having in there. If anyone knows, tell me. But the bus is 10 minutes later and no one's gonna use it. Everyone just drives out just like this. Off they go. And it's finally arrived, 3 minutes late. It should already be at the bus station now, but it's only just arrived here. 23:54, 1 number less. Here it comes, looping around the car park. And we're gonna get on board. I'll just film from the back because I already filmed from the front in the 283 video, and I want to do some commentary. So on board 272. Oops. This route should literally take less than 2 minutes. We'll see on my screen. So there's a sign, bus right. I'm not filming from the front because it's the same as the 283, so I'll link that video, or I might even include those clips. But up we are on whatever this road is, I forgot. Now we just pass along it up to the roundabout where the Biblium track starts, which is a really long hiking trail all the way to Albany, which will take you weeks. And it starts right here. Now obviously no one used the bus, as I said, although like 25 people ended up driving out of the community centre, so clearly there is actually people there, but just no one decides to use it. 1473 future bus just came in at 307 from Midvale. Okay, it's Mundaring Weir Road, yeah. And now here it changes to Mead Street, and then we have the bus stop here, which we're apparently meant to serve. The 307 is stopping there right now, but we're not going to stop. And then left turn, and we're at Kalamunda Bus Station. 1 minute and 45 seconds. What the hell? Ridiculous. And 3 minutes late, of course. Here we are, Kalamunda Bus Station. And that's the route done. Just got off. 1473 is behind. 272 and change to 000. Well, that's it. Transperth's new shortest route accomplished in less than 2 minutes, definitely shorter than the 5-minute 301. And we're done. Thanks for watching this video. Really stupid. I don't get the point, but what you gonna do now? A different route. Anyway. Yep. That's actually it now. Are you kidding me? She's leaving not in service as well. Bro, she came in not in service and she's leaving not in service. What? Unless she like finished the 276 or something, then went not in service to 272, did that, and then now going to the depot. Oh my gosh. Sorry, just to finish the video, this is absolutely ridiculous. School releasing hours just happened. School releasing time, Kalamunda Senior High School, so many buses. B12s, 275, 273, 276 B12, 307 B12, 279 to Maddington, the 274 to Gooseberry Hill, 272, all the rare routes are here. There's so many buses, refurbished B7s, B12s. Look at this. Here's a 279, I'll film that soon, but not today. 274 to Gooseberry Hill, oh wow, people are actually using that as well. Another 276 came in. So there's 5 276s from Kalamunda Senior High School and 3 275s, as well as the 274, 279, 307. So I've never seen Kalamunda Bus Station this full. It went from silent to absolutely packed all of a sudden. Another bus. Yeah, I'll get on that one, 275. That's the third one, down to High Wycombe Station. And here's the 274 to Gooseberry Hill actually being used. There's like 15 people in it. There's actually normal people using the 279 as well, so it looks like it's good that it's not designated as a school service. That's just crazy. Never seen Kalamunda Bus Station so full before. See, this is this. After 3 o'clock. 3, 304, 305, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All the minutes, plus there's like 2 to 3 buses each minute. Anyway, I'm gonna take this 275 now. Thanks, that's the end of the video.